Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Twitter. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter issues, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait 2 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.